When Daimler first invested in Tesla, they had foreseen the change this startup company was going to bring in the automobile industry. Well, that was past. Nowadays, Tesla frequently develops new production processes, software designs, and electronic architecture, allowing it to bring advances quicker than competitors. Now, following the spectacular battery packs, we have something more to brag about the brand. Yes, Elon Musk has finally confirmed about Tesla's new electric motor, the Plaid carbon-wrapped motor. Excited to know? Let's dig in. Hey folks, hope you are all doing good. Welcome back to Techmate, a place where we bring tech and people closer together. Excited enough? What are you waiting for? Subscribe, like, share, and click on the notification bell to get the latest news and updates in the tech world. Let's go! Tesla CEO Elon Musk unveiled Tesla's new Plaid carbon-wrapped motor and discussed a few details about the latest technology, which allows for smaller, more powerful, and efficient motors. Elon Musk spoke about this achievement briefly during the presentation at the Model S Plaid delivery event. Other than that, another surprising fact is that this is the first time that there's a production electric motor that had a carbon overwrap rotor. Elon stated that the Plaid's carbon-wrapped motor is the most sophisticated motor ever brought outside of a lab, and now that they have a few ideas for raising torque and max RPM even more for the next roadster. That's some monstrous power they have in their hands. We all know how the commercial Model S Plaid performs on the track, and now this machine? That's sick. We can tell you for sure that it's both intense and thrilling. It's evident that Tesla intends to shatter its own records with this new machine and those Tesla secrets. The Tesla Model S Plaid's acceleration record will be broken sometime, and the likelihood of that being broken by another Tesla car, maybe the upcoming Roadster 2.0, is quite likely. During his briefing, he highlighted that because carbon and copper have different rates of thermal expansion, it needs to be wound at an exceptionally high tension to obtain a carbon overwrap rotor. Elon stated that the team needed to construct the machine that creates the rotor in order to reach this aim. This was a first since no such machine had before existed. This, however, provides Tesla another advantage. Now, they can make the electromagnetic field super efficient while maintaining a tight separation even at extraordinarily high revolutions per minute. Why don't we dig more into the new motor's technical aspects, huh? Looking into the winding, it is coiled at a high tension load over the rotor. The new carbon sleeve must compress the copper rotor or it will loosen at low temperatures. This is owing to the fact that different people have varied rates of thermal expansion. The fundamental advantage of the new motor is that the carbon sleeve rotor generates a stronger electromagnetic field than a metal-held rotor. Elon mentioned that they are often composed of high-strength steel. Another benefit is that the rotor can run at higher RPMs, since the carbon sleeve prevents the copper rotor from expanding owing to rapid acceleration. Tesla Automation designed the equipment that coiled it. Tesla Automation was founded in 1983 as Grohmann Engineering in Germany. It changed its name to Tesla Automation in 2016. Well, let's drop that right there and look into what we have here. We have now gone through the new motor's specifications. What we need to talk about is the new Roadster. As a result, the all-electric supercar would be even more spectacular than its prototype. Elon Musk claimed in late 2017 that the next-generation Roadster will have a wheel torque of 10,000 Newton-meters, which is already rather astounding in its own right. The next-generation Roadster's manufacturing might give some massive levels of power with a higher maximum RPM. With its SpaceX-infused electronics and 620-mile range, the Roadster may be able to outperform the Model S Plaid, thereby justifying its estimated starting price of $200,000. That is something. Well, despite the lack of a true production Tesla Roadster reimagining, Elon Musk continues to add additional features to the long-promised electric sports vehicle. The new motor might be a huge part of the Roadster. Meanwhile, there are also some other rumors along with it, especially the fact the car might even fly. Yup, the new Roadster may fly. Not literally, but the car is expected to leap or hover for a few feet. The concept of a hover car poses several issues. How would you test the safety of something that combines rocket science with ordinary consumer vehicles? Specialized jet vehicles that shatter land speed records, such as the one that killed Jesse Combs in 2019, are not controlled by any consumer body and are not safe to drive on public highways. Let's put all of those debates aside and imagine we can create a new safety code for hover cars. How would this car even perform? What Musk has discussed, though, is a rocket thruster-powered hovering system. As a result, the new Roadster would be more akin to a vertical takeoff and landing vehicle rather than, or in addition to, a production car. It also introduces design issues that are common to all flying vehicles, as well as ones that are specific to electric vehicles. That's a lot of issues for a car in the formulation. For years, Musk has boasted about his impending Roadster's engine specs, as well as the assumption that the vehicle will come standard with all-wheel drive. The all-wheel drive alone adds hundreds of pounds to the weight of a vehicle, enough to significantly reduce the gas consumption of a conventional car that, never hovers. If we know anything about Musk, it's absolutely within his scope and capabilities to come up with something crazy that ends up being a huge success. At the same time, it's difficult to envisage a hover automobile with the Roadster's intended performance. Without a hefty dosage of bubbly-boosting drink, the physics don't add up. Now, with the new performance motor, it seems like the man is nearing his goal of formulating his beast. Why don't we take a quick peek at the numbers regarding the upcoming Roadster? Thinking about numbers? Tesla asserts that they will offer the base variant Roadster for $200,000 and a limited edition Founders Series for $50,000 extra. Currently, we have no facts on what differentiates the two, other than the fact that only 1,000 Founders Series models will be manufactured. If you're a collector, perhaps it's worth the extra cash. Otherwise, conserve your money. When the new Tesla Roadster was first unveiled as a vision in November 2017, Musk glorified some up-in-the-sky kind of performance numbers for this car, including a 60-mile-per-hour time of 1.9 seconds, a top speed of more than 250 miles per hour, and a quarter-mile time of just 8.8 seconds. That's exactly ludicrous, right? For consideration, if that 60-mile-per-hour time holds up, it will imply that the Tesla Roadster is a full second sharper than its key rival, the gasoline-powered McLaren 570S. Furthermore, during this conference, Musk remarked that the Roadster will come with standard all-wheel drive. This is far less startling. Tesla's mainstream EV models utilize two electric motors, one at the front and one at the rear to drive all four wheels, so it makes the point as we would see the same configuration in the Roadster. Coming to the battery and range of the car, the 200 kilowatt-hour battery is declared to provide up to 620 miles of range. But certainly, such a kind of number will be achievable only under very light use. Hitting the track for some flat-out hot laps will cut that conclusion broadly. A few enabling factors like battery capacity, drag coefficient, body weight, tires can assist in providing these numbers. The 200 kilowatt-hour battery, which is twice the capacity of the one in Model S, is not only for long-distance cruising, but also for providing high acceleration. Well, these numbers would have to change with the release of the new motor. So, what do you guys think about it? From the looks of things, it's been some time. Tesla has been lagging on the release dates of the new Roadster, and Musk's announcement appears to have disclosed one of the significant changes that will be pushed out to the next generation Roadster. An all-electric supercar that is slated to be the company's unquestioned crown vehicle. So, coming to the end of the video, did you love today's episode? Anyways, drop in your views about the new motor in the comments section below. Well, this isn't the end of the story. More interesting stuff will come up in the coming days, and we here at the Techmate will be delivering the best of the content to you folks. That's about it for today. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content just like this one. And while you're at it, turn on post notifications so that you never miss out on any of our future uploads. Drop a like for the video if you're a huge fan of what Tesla is doing in the electric vehicle industry. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. We will meet again in the next one.